everyone, welcome to English with Shreyoshi. In today's video, I am going to share how to be consistent in whatever you want to do. So let's get started. Number 1, have a burning desire. Yes, if you want to achieve anything in life, you must have a burning desire to achieve that goal. Why? Let me share. In 2018, when I started my journey of learning English, I had the burning desire to achieve my goal. Yes, still today I have the same desire to become a confident communicator. So I have been practicing English for the past 8 years without making any excuse. Yes, and when I started my journey, I knew nothing. Trust me, I knew nothing. I just had some bad experiences because I couldn't speak English properly. And those bad experiences pushed me to practice English every single day. That time, every day, without making any excuse, I learned basic grammar, read books, listened to podcasts, and talked to different people to practice English. That's how I achieved my fluency. And at the same time, I was also working on my physical health. Yes, I had given birth to my son 2 years earlier. So I was overweight and I was not able to do some basic activities. Yes, every morning I used to wake up, go for a walk, and while walking I listened to podcast. Yes, that's how I used to do two things at the same time. I used to walk and I used to listen to podcast. Point number 2, believe in yourself. Yes, when I was learning English, I used to listen a lot of podcasts, motivational speakers, and TED Talk. And from all those resources, I have learned one thing, very important. That is, if you want to achieve anything in life, you have to believe in yourself. Yes. And I filled myself with self-belief. Every morning, yes, every morning I used to wake up and I used to tell myself, you can do it. You can improve your English. You can take care of your child. You can get into shape. Yes, that self-belief pushed me every day, inspired me, motivated me to do, to walk, to take care, to learn every single day. So believe in yourself that you can achieve something. Okay? Number 3, trust the power of today. Yes, every day has a power. Yes, every morning when you wake up with a lot of hope and opportunities along with some circumstances. And your brain will always tell that today you are busy, you are tired. Tomorrow you wake up at 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. and you practice for 3 hours and 4 hours. Trust me, this is a trap. Don't fall into it. Okay? Just believe the power of today. Every morning, wake up, write down your goals and take actions. Focus on what you can achieve today, not tomorrow. Suppose you are very tired and you have just 10 minutes, use that 10 minutes. Use that 10 minutes for reading, for writing, or for what you need to do. Okay, don't think that tomorrow I will do, tomorrow I will start. No, if you cannot start today, you can't start tomorrow. Okay, so there is no tomorrow. If you really want to achieve something, you have to trust the power of today and you have to show up every day, especially today. If you can show up today, you can show up tomorrow. So trust the power of today. So if you really want to be consistent, remember 3 things. Ask yourself, why do you want to achieve something? Okay, then have a burning desire to achieve it. And then believe in yourself that you can achieve that goal. And believe the power of today. And that's all